ZW3D Standard version, from concept design to innovative product. ZW3D Standard version provides all CAD design functions, including modeling, applications, assembly design, and document features. With unique solid surface hybrid modeling, advanced modeling, translator, and direct edit, ZW3D delivers flexible and efficient modeling. Based on an image, we can quickly draw product profile and add suitable dimensions and constraints. Extrude the profile sketch to get the main shape. Blank the sketch. Then pick the edges to add reasonable draft. Using different methods, designers can quickly create new datum. Choose it as the sketch plane, and then draw an arc. With the dimensions and constraints, it will define the sketch well. After that, we can directly use the sweep command to sweep this sketch along the path to form a surface. Use the freeform tool to extend the face. Then use it to trim the main shape. Click the edges to quickly add the fillet feature. Next, pick the shape to shell and define the opening faces. Split these surfaces with these projection curve. Then select the middle surfaces to offset. A negative value indicates an internal offset. Now, add the suitable fillet on these split edges. Mirror these shapes to form the whole product. Next, let's look at ZW3D Advanced Modeling Functions. These are pattern geometries. With Wrap Tool, we can directly wrap them from the reference plane to the surface. It is very flexible. Besides modeling, the ZW3D CAD module provides several different applications, including sheet metal design, weldments, and point cloud. From a sketch, we can efficiently create the first flange. Click the edges to add the full flanges. With Dynamic Dimension Handle, the parameters can be modified easily. The new tab can be merged with sheet metal base. Add other flanges and fillets. With Unfold feature, unfold the part to get a flat pattern. And with Fold feature, refold the part. After finishing the model design, we can continue our assembly design, such as defining the constraints, selecting the suitable configuration, and checking the interference. With assembly animation, we can view the assembly movement and assembly-disassembly process. Select different part configurations to view different assembly products. With Dynamic Section View, we can quickly verify the parts and the assembly will be fitted. The last step of product design is outputting documents like PMI on a 3D model or 2D drawing. In modeling level, we can quickly enter 2D drawing level and then create the view of this assembly. Create the BOM table for all parts. Use auto balloons to automatically generate balloons in a view. ZW3D allows designers to intuitively create dimension and annotation on 3D entities. All PMI objects are listed in View Manager. When we create 2D drawing of this part, the PMI objects can be inherited to related 2D views. ZW3D Standard version enables engineers to realize the whole process, from a concept to a finished product. This is a powerful and flexible CAD solution.